With the evolution, men had grown stronger and stronger, and then came the 21st century. This was the time man was living his best life. No wars to fight, no Great Depression. Now, the only war men are fighting is the war within. An average man now spends 7 hours every day behind the computer screen. If we talk about India, an average Indian man in his 30s has stopped living for himself. He is a dead man walking for the sole purpose of putting food on the table, getting through the same routine, paycheck to paycheck. He has literally smothered his feelings. Now he does not enjoy the rain the way he used to when he was younger. He cannot recall the last time he sprinted with his full speed until he was out of breath. Is that the life he wanted to live? I don't think so. This is only the result of what his parents has taught him. He is now the man molded by the system. Capitalism taught him to work a desk job, get paid every month till the day he dies. They taught him to stay away from risks, stop behaving like a kid. They did not raise a man, they actually made a corporate slave who only sees what his master wants him to see. He believes in a system that does not help him grow. Instead, it keeps him poor and weak. He is brainwashed and just another cog in the wheel. This man is not strong. He has forgotten his dream. If every bit of this description reflects your story, stay. This video is for you. If you're someone who hasn't yet forgotten his dream, sit tight. This video is definitely for you. There's still time. You can get logged in again. First, understand that your condition is not only because of you. The system has its fair share into it. Now, you need to stop expecting from the system and start believing in yourself, your efforts, your mindset, more than what people think of you. The only thing that stands between you and your feeling of being strong is your desire for people's approval. See, when you have a fear of being judged in a conversation, your words fall flat on the people that you're talking to. They sense this fear in you. You look desperate for their approval and they start ignoring you. The more desperate you become, the less interested they would be in you. So the next time you find yourself struggling in a conversation, gasping for attention, just know the more you try to hold on to sand tight in your hands, the more it spills through your fingers. The man who shares too much restricts themselves from being perceived as a strong person. People get attracted to what they do not know. Sharing about the way you feel towards certain things makes you vulnerable. It affects your desirable score. Of course, sharing is okay, but you should know the limit. Always leave some room for curiosity. In certain situations like a date, men tend to fill that awkward silence with more information. Just get comfortable with the awkward silence, and you will see that she will start to fill in that silence by herself. Because that awkward silence was uncomfortable for both of you, but you got comfortable with that. I'm not saying you should look like you're carved by Michelangelo himself. The goal is to look fit enough that the outfit looks perfect on you. Your shape speaks volumes about your discipline. Men with discipline naturally attracts respect. There should be no excuse about it. No matter how busy your life is, you should get some time to prioritize your fitness. Our parents have tricked us into believing that we should respect our elders, no matter who they are. Just because someone is older doesn't mean he or she has to be respected. My theory about respect is that it should be earned, it cannot be forced. And for me to earn my share of respect is by proving myself. Face an elder, we automatically gets into a situation of vulnerability. This respect your elders is so deeply rooted in our brains that we naturally get into a vulnerable position the moment we meet someone older. I had it for a very long time. Then I saw the world up close and realized not everybody is worth it. Now I treat everyone like I would treat any other guy. He or she may be a CEO or a celebrity, but in my mind, they are just another person. He may have more money or fame, but for me, I am the hero of my story. I have had my battles, you had yours. When you begin treating people as people, you'll feel that confidence and it will change your perspective of challenges. Problems that seem so huge once would look like a pebble on the road. Last but not the least, never ever be arrogant or rude to someone. You had a bad day, that waiter is not the right guy to dump that on. Neither the spouse. Shit happens to everyone. While you're fighting your battles, they are fighting theirs. Be polite to people, treat them nice. Just make sure not to let them dominate you. That's it. Tell me in the comments which advice resonated with you the most. Like the video and subscribe to join the community of high value men. See you in the next one.